Imagine a world without tomatoes, corn, chocolate, avocado or chili.
Oh my God, it's hot.
Imagine a world without Mexico.
So these are the perfect addition to make a salsa nice and smoky.
Mexican cuisine is more than just tacos, burritos and beer.
Absolute vegetarian perfection.
And over the course of this series, I'm going to explore Mexico like you've never seen it before.
This is not what we expect of Mexican food.
Yes, there are the icons that we all know and love, but did you know that chewing gum originated in Mexico?
You can see that, the gum in there.
And that this is the home of vanilla?
Very unique to get your vanilla sugar already on the bean.
And what we think is mole
Oh, it's tender.
is really a family of sauces that would challenge the most accomplished French chef.
It's about the sauce, not about the main ingredient.
Yeah, if we serve more, people enjoy.
Come with me as I travel from the top to the bottom of this fascinating and diverse country.
All the children who live here come from abject poverty. Every one of them has a story that would break your heart.
Yeah.
But every one of them has a story of triumph, too.
Through landscapes as varied as they are ancient. A crater created from a meteorite that destroyed the dinosaurs. I'll meet the people who call this land their home.
Because these are some of the best oysters I've ever had.
Whose gift to the world are everyday foods that are eaten by billions.
Mexican food is very profound, has joy, has color, and I think it's time to look to the world and say, here's Mexico.
You think you know Mexican? Think again.
Salud.